All right, class, here's example one. So, in 1996, there were 2,573 computer viruses, and other computer security incidents. During the next 7 years, the number of incidents increased by about 92% each year. All right, so we're going to do two parts. A, write an initial growth model. Again, just make the equation. Given the number of incidents after 1996, and then B, about how many incidents were there in 2003. All right, so so we have a growth model. We know we're gonna model means equation. So they already told us it's growth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this equation here, 1 plus r to the power t, and use that to make do part A and find the equation. All right. So the initial amount was 2,573 computer incidents. So we're gonna have y equals, and then for A we'll substitute that number, 2,573. Then we have 1 plus, and then for R we have our percentage, which is 92. But we got to convert that 92% into a decimal, move it to the left 2 times, put the decimal in front. It's gonna be 0.92 to the power t. Now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. So all a decimal is you're adding a whole part to basically a fraction part, or a decimal part. So you just put them together, it's going to be 1.92. All right, and if you don't believe me, put it in your calculator and you'll see it'll give you 1.92. So that's all the decimal is. All right, sorry for the pop-up. I'm not quite sure why that happens, but it's going to happen throughout. All right, so there we go. It has to do with an update lately, and it's probably a bug, a computer incident. All right, so that's for part A. We got the model. We're going to use this model. We're going to figure out how many incidents were there in 2003. All right, so this was based in 1996. Here we are some years later. As a matter of fact, 7 years later. So we're going to take this model and try to predict how many computer incidences we're going to have in 7 years. So we'll take our growth equation, 2,573 initial amount, 1.92. I don't want... Okay, sorry, I can't get rid of that. All right, there we go. 92, and then instead of t, we're going to put 7 years. So from 1996 to 2003 is 7 years. All right, and then we're going to put this in our calculator. So like I'm going to show you in Desmos how to do it. Free online calculator. All the information is in Google Classroom. All right, so here it is on my tablet. Boom. All right, so I'm going to put 2,573, just like that. All right, parentheses, usually give us a parentheses here. Boom. 1.92, there it is. Close it, and then you're going to hit A to the B. That gives us the power, and that we're going to put a 7. All right, and there it is. It gives us the answer right there. So about 247,484.72 incidences. So let's kind of think about that. Can we have like half an incidence or a partial incidence? So let's use our reasonable domain range types thinking and be like, okay, let's go ahead and round that up to like 485. All right, so going back to our problem, we're going to say there are about 247,485 computer viruses. All right, just like that, and there's example 1.